Welcome to SNA Marianapolis Science Labs. My name is Mr. Criswell. I teach chemistry and forensic science here at SNA. Come into the science labs, let me show you what we do. At each table, we set up experiments for different departments. And our first department is physics. We have a Van de Graaff generator, we have our lens set, and we also have a power supply for doing experiments with electricity. Our biology and forensic science classes use the microscopes extensively. We have a magnification of up to 1,600 times. It's not just about the equipment. We're committed to a student-centered approach that transforms learning. Our methods focus on engaging, hands-on projects that put students at the heart of their own learning. Through hands-on experiments and collaborative projects, students take an active role in their learning. This approach not only makes science exciting, but also equips them with practical skills for the future. Check out our inspirational walls, filled with student projects and ideas. It's a space where every corner encourages curiosity and celebrates achievement. At SNA Marianapolis, we're not just teaching science. We're preparing future leaders with everything they need to make a difference and to build a better world. Come see the magic for yourself. You're always welcome at SNA Marianapolis.